Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, to fix this issue, the most effective solution is to switch your account type from a professional or business account to a personal account. All right? Because Instagram restricts business accounts from using copyrighted popular music in order to prevent commercial legal issues, limiting you mostly to royalty-free tracks. Now, to go ahead and switch, if you want that option, just go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find in this section, all right, business account, switch to business account or account types and tools, and just switch to personal. So again, just tap on it and switch to personal. You have the switch option here as well at the bottom of it. So once that's done, there's one thing that we need to check as well, okay? And it's by turning off Facebook auto sharing. And sometimes having your post automatically cross-post to Facebook restricts your Instagram music. And this happens because the song might be licensed for Instagram, but not for Facebook. So again, go ahead and go back to settings right here. Tap on three lines, all right? And then let's go ahead over to Account Center. Then go ahead and find Connected Experience. Make sure that Facebook is not in here. Just remove Facebook or toggle it off. And once that's done, you should be good to go. If that still will work, well, let's go ahead and find the app icon, tap and hold. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon. And then go ahead and go to storage. Now tap on clear cache. Wait a bit. And then the cache right here will turn to 0. If you're using iOS, just go ahead over to settings, iPhone storage, or general iPhone storage, then find Instagram, offload the app. Once done, go to your Play Store or App Store, search, find Instagram right here, and make sure that Instagram is up to date. So update the app, wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, use the music, and you should be good to go. That's how easy it is to fix Instagram music not showing all the songs. I wish the video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.